How to reset MEXC password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on MEXC if you've forgotten it during logging in. First of all, open up the MEXC application or website, and once you are inside this home page, click on your profile icon at the top left and select login. Now go ahead and enter your email address, or if you've last logged in with any of the email, it'll be displayed over here. Enter your email or tap continue over here and then complete this small puzzle. On the next page, it'll ask you for your password. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password link under the password box. Now go ahead and enter your email or phone number on the next page. After typing it down, click next, and on the next page, tap on Get Code right next to enter email verification code. You'll then receive a verification code sent to you in your email registered. Go check your email inbox. Once you open it up, you'll see a 6-digit verification code emailed to you. Type it down exactly as it appears and click submit. Now on the next page where it says reset your password, enter your new password you want to change to. Go to the next field and confirm the new password once again by typing it again. And finally click on confirm. Now you have successfully reset your password. Next time while logging in, enter the newly updated password to get access back to your account. So there you have successfully reset your password on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.